If you're ready to start making money with affiliate marketing as a content creator over on Instagram, this video is for you. Because not all of us have access to Instagram monetization features. So without that, how are you able to still make money with affiliate links? In this video, you're going to learn the two types of affiliate marketing, how to apply to affiliate programs, and how to set up your affiliate marketing strategy on Instagram specifically. As always, timestamps are below. Let's jump to the computer and get started. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you can earn a commission or fee for simply sharing a product that you love to your followers. The great thing is that there is no extra fees or costs to your followers by them using your links. It's simply another way for them to support you and your business. There are two types of affiliate marketing. We have CPA and CPC. CPA stands for cost per acquisition. This is the most common type of affiliate marketing that we see online. This is where you receive a commission when a specific action is completed from your followers. For example, if I love my espresso machine and I'm telling you all about it on my stories and I have an affiliate link for that espresso machine, I'm going to link that in my stories. Then if somebody clicks that link, they add it to their cart, they make the purchase, I earn commission from that purchase that's paid to me from the brand. So really, it's the brand that is paying me, not necessarily the follower or the user. Now, CPC stands for cost per click. This is a less commonly known affiliate marketing strategy, but it still exists out there, which is why I wanted to share it with you. This means if you generate clicks onto your link that's leading to a business's website or product, you will get paid per click on that link. Most of these affiliates are set up to pay around 10 cents per click. So for an example, if I'm talking about that espresso machine that I love so much and I have a CPC link, I put it in my stories and I get 60 clicks from my followers. Whether they purchase the espresso machine or not, I earn 10 cents per click, giving me $6, which is a good little Starbucks run. So let's talk about how you can set up your affiliate linking strategy. First things first is picking a platform. Here's a list of 6 common affiliate marketing platforms. We have Reward Style, or otherwise known as Like to Know It, Shop Style Collective, Amazon Influencer, Share a Sale, Magic Links, and Shop Your Likes. Knowing your niche is important when it comes to picking your platform because different platforms will serve a different type of influencer. Let's explain the qualifications for each of these platforms and who they're best suited for. First, we have Reward Style or Like to Know It. This is the most common one. I've also heard it could be the hardest one to get accepted to. So the qualifications here, you have to have a public social media profile, an engaged social media following on at least one platform, and high quality shoppable content that you post regularly, with that content being high performing. This platform is typically used for influencers that are in the fashion or beauty niche. Next, we have Shop Style Collective. This is another common one similar to Like to Know It. It's a great alternative if you don't get approved to Reward Style Like to Know It. Their minimum requirements to apply is you have to have original shoppable content, an engaged audience, and you're consistently posting on a qualifying blog or social media channel. This is another one that is great for influencers in the fashion or beauty industry. Next, we have Amazon Influencer. They aren't as transparent with specific qualifications, but they do say when someone applies, this is what we look at. We look at influencers who have a YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook account, how many followers you have, and other engagement metrics. So do you have a high engaging follower base? Amazon Influencer is really for anyone and everyone who shops on Amazon. Next, we have Share a Sale. These next two might be my favorite two because I feel like they're the easiest to get access to with Share a Sale. Anybody can create an account. You join for free. You partner with brands you love. It's as simple as that. Their motto is whether you're a traditional affiliate, blogger, vlogger, podcaster, influencer, or website owner looking to tap into new sources of revenue, Share a Sale is your solution. This one could be a really great starting point if you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing. Next, we have Magic Links. This one is really cool because you can turn any link online
of a product at any retailer's website and turn that link into a revenue generating magic link. Magic Link invites creators who display a genuine passion for their craft, commitment to their followers, and a unique ability to carry a message, compelling content that promotes brand collaboration and discovery, and frequent activity and an engaged following on all social channels. Finally, we have Shop Your Likes. Shop Your Likes works exclusively with influencers who produce rich and relevant content, have strong communities, and meet overall quality requirements. This platform is the only platform that I've seen have CPC affiliate options. So that is the cost per click, where you earn based off of clicks, as well as CPA. So they have both options available. So we went through a few of the commonly known affiliate websites, but some of you might be wondering, well, can I be an affiliate for one specific brand? Maybe you're thinking like Canva. You love Canva. You want to be an affiliate for Canva. Can you be an affiliate for one brand? The answer is yes. If you do choose to be an affiliate for multiple brands, my biggest tip for you is make sure you keep your affiliate accounts organized. It's nice having all of your affiliate linking in one place. So if you choose a site like Shop Your Likes or Amazon Influencer, it's nice to have all of the links in one place so you have one login information. But when you start adding other brands, it can get confusing with different logins, different passwords, different payout methods. So make sure you keep your affiliate account organized. To figure out if a brand that you want to partner with has the affiliate option, you're going to go to that brand's website. Scroll down to the very bottom of their page, so the footer of their page. Here you will see if they have an affiliate option. If they have an affiliate option, it will be there. So you can click there, see if you're qualified, and apply. Once you've applied and you get approved, bookmark that login page to your web browser. So this is Chrome. I'm using Chrome. I have a business folder on my bookmarks tabs. I have one for my It's Modern Millie business and then an affiliate folders where I bookmark all of my affiliate logins. So it's so quick and easy for me to keep everything in one space. My bonus tip is when you set up your affiliate accounts and you set up your payment information, how they're going to pay you, make sure you set up that payout to the same place. So if you have a PayPal business account, make sure they're all going to your PayPal business account. If you have a business checking account, make sure you're getting all of your payments into your business checking account. This will help keep your money organized in the long run, and you'll be really thankful that you did this when starting out.
Once you have your links created, the next step is to start setting up your affiliate marketing strategy. Now, before breaking down those steps, if you've been subscribed for a while, you might be thinking, this video's structure is slightly different from the usual videos here on Millie's channel, where I'm talking to the camera like this, you get a ton of flashy B-roll, etc., etc. That is because, for those of you who don't already know, while I am on maternity leave, every other week here on my channel, I'm releasing an exclusive look inside a few different courses that I offer over on my website to help you decide if that course would be a good fit for you. Then between those other weeks is your regular schedule programming. This is something that I've decided to do to kind of like sponsor my own videos in place of brand partnerships and ad placements, because obviously I'm filming these like months in advance. So consider this video sponsored by me. The affiliate marketing video you're watching right now is actually a lesson from my course bundle, the BSP Model, which is the only course bundle that exists for creators like yourself. If you want to be a full-time content creator and you've found yourself in need of help when it comes to building a personal brand online, scaling your Instagram presence or YouTube or TikTok, increasing engagement, making better videos, and actually making money doing what you love, then the BSP model was created just for you. So BSP stands for Build, Scale, Profit, which are the 3 common phases that I recognize creators go through during their journeys of trying to grow. And there are courses for each of those phases. Basically, I've created a 3-part framework where all of the courses are laid out in order for you to follow. You just Take it one course at a time, and by the end of BSP, you'll be able to have everything you need to be a full-time content creator. During the build phase, you'll focus on developing your personal brand and starting your email list. There's an Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok course. There's also an advanced video creation course for those of you who want to up-level the quality of the videos you're creating. After you've taken your platform-specific course, then you'll move into the profit bundle where you get access to 4 courses. You could learn how to create money with UGC, brand collaborations, creating multiple streams of income, and of course, you'll get a few lessons on the legal side of growing a creator business. There's over 150 lessons throughout all the courses and over 35 hours of educational content and resources for you to learn from. Some of the students that are in there have considered it their like creator university because it literally teaches them everything that they need. If they have a question, they know they could find the answer somewhere. This is something that I'm honestly so proud of creating, not just because I wish it existed for me when I started, because it would have saved me a lot of time and money, but because I've seen proof that this works, and I get so excited to watch and work with students who are completely transforming their lives 100%. So I stand behind everything that BSP offers. So if you're somebody who wants to be a full-time content creator and you don't want to waste time figuring out how to do it on your own, or maybe you feel like you've already wasted time trying to figure out how to do it on your own, nothing's working, BSP is the literal steps for you to follow A to Z so that you could go from 0 to full-time as quickly as possible. I'll leave everything linked down below, and if you're more interested in just like individual courses that I have, I'll leave those linked below as well. All right, let's jump back to our video.
So the next step after you've created your links, we're going to set you up with your Instagram affiliate strategy. With those links created, you want to put them everywhere. The first spot, obviously, your link in bio. If affiliate sales are your goal, put a specific call to action instead of maybe this freebie where I say free Instagram growth masterclass. Maybe my goal is to direct people to my Amazon shop. So I'm going to say gift guide or Amazon Lululemon dupes. So if you're reviewing Amazon products or you have an organized list of products for them to shop, the more specific you could be, the better. A common mistake that I see people make is saying, shop my Amazon page. Why is that enticing to anyone? Why do they want to shop on your Amazon page? What products are linked there? Instead of shop my Amazon page, you would say skincare recommendations for sensitive skin. If that's what captures your target audience's attention, use that instead of Amazon shop. Next, we have your highlights. Now that everybody has access to linking in stories, create an organized highlight for your followers to easily shop your favorite products. If you're in the fitness industry, you can have highlights like workout tops, protein, healthy snacks, and on every single slide, have a screenshot of your favorite workout tops on, I'm thinking of Amazon consistently, so we'll do Amazon again. Your favorite workout tops with your affiliate link. And then the next highlight is all of your favorite protein recommendations, all linking with affiliate links. Next is healthy snacks, and continue that. Organize your highlights in a simple way so that your followers could shop. Another strategy is with pinned posts. If you don't have access to Instagram's affiliate linking tool, this is a great option. You're going to create a post that directs people to your affiliate spots. So maybe the call to action is go to my link in bio, check out my highlights. This post is going to be educational, helpful, great for your target audience. And the call to action will be for more Amazon Lululemon dupes. Check out the link in my bio. Pin this to the top of your profile, and this could be one of the first posts that new visitors see. One of my favorite strategies here with pinned posts is actually to use DM automation. Let me show you just an example. You could use this to direct people for affiliate linking. I use it for my course, but on my Instagram, I have 2 pinned posts. One is a start here, get to know Millie. This doesn't sell anything. But then the second pinned post that I have, this is the one that's leading people to my main offer. And if affiliate linking is one of your main things, you can have DM automation do that or be that for you. So this one, I talk about my course, and then I have a specific phrase of like comment BSP model to unlock your creator access today. So anybody who comments BSP or BSP model, they'll automatically be sent a DM with a link to my course. And if you have, let's say, an Amazon storefront that is packaged together all of your favorite mom products for newborns, or like the ultimate Amazon storefront for building out your registry for new moms, right? You can make a carousel talking about all your favorite products, or even a reel talking about some of your favorite products. And then the call to action could be comment registry, and I'll DM you a link of my full registry list recommendation. And then that link that you send them is your Amazon storefront link where they could go through and find all of those favorite products. So with pinned posts, you could use DM automation in tandem with that. Next strategy is stories. Once you create and start placing your links everywhere, you don't instantly become a millionaire. If you want to make and earn with affiliates, you have to be consistent with sharing links, talking about products organically. Continue to post and share your favorite stuff on your stories. Make it maybe a routine where every Friday or every Sunday you do haul Sunday and you share some of your favorite products that you found throughout the week. So make it a thing that your followers become accustomed to, and it's not like you're always doing it every single day, but you can make an event out of it. Every time you're sharing your affiliate links, you're being transparent about that. That's something that goes hand in hand with Instagram community guidelines. If a link is an affiliate link on your stories, make sure you say, check out my affiliate link, or this link is an affiliate link. Make sure to be transparent about that so you don't accidentally go against any of Instagram's community guidelines.
If you've made it this far, make sure to use the secret emoji in your comment below. Watch this video next because YouTube thinks you'll like it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Follow your joy. Bye.